Welcome back. I'm N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, you're going to learn Introduction to Translation Studies, which is a part of your syllabus. Firstly, what is translation? The process of translating word or text from one language into another. The rendering of the source language text SL into target language, that is TL. Some scholars such as Savary define translation as an art. Eric Jacobson define it as a craft, and some others say it is science. Susan Bassnett, translation theorist, in her book Translation Studies, gives an overview of studies in the field of translation. Andre proposed the name Translation Studies should be adopted for the discipline which deals with the problems raised by the production and description of translation. Anything said or written in one language can easily be transferred into another because different languages represent different worldviews which are not simply rephrasing but formulating and rethinking. Translation studies is indeed a discipline in its own right, but a vastly complex field. Earlier, translation was perceived as an intrinsic part of the foreign language teaching process. Translation was considered as a secondary activity, as a mechanical process then. It is a relatively new field which had received little formal recognition. Translation is a semiotic and cultural activity. Translation is a skill which must be carried out effectively. In other words, translation is effective rewriting. Although in the early 19th century, translation was regarded as a serious and useful method. It helps the writer to explore and shape his own narrative style. There was also a shift in the status of the translator. Susan describes the dual responsibility of the translator. First, true to the original text. Next, true to the readership. If the translator who makes no attempt to understand the theory, how the translation process is carried out, is like a driver who doesn't know how to make a car move. So it is important to approach and analyze the text with close understanding. The primary duty of the translator is to create a text in the target language that readers should appreciate and respect the source. A good translator must understand the relationship between the theory and practice of translation. Translation studies is important as a translation is diverse in many aspects of time such as education, mass communication, science and technology, literature, tourism, business as well. So, we will continue the next part in next video. Thanks for watching.